Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an easy steps and guide on how to add Tremendous card to Apple Wallet. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily add your Tremendous card to your Apple Wallet. So make sure you open your Tremendous email or the account where your card details are provided. So if you receive a virtual Tremendous Versal MasterCard, copy the card details and open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Then tap the plus icon to add or click the add button in the top right corner and select debit or credit card. Then choose enter card details manually or use the camera to scan. So enter your Tremendous card number, the expiration date, and your CVV available on the card. Then tap next and follow the screen instruction. Apple Wallet may require a verification steps like email or text message. So once verified, your Tremendous card will appear in Apple Wallet and can be used with Apple Pay. And you can now use your Tremendous card directly from Apple Wallet or for payment. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.